The New Age Business Analyst. Now, why this title? Well, the role of business analysts and the work they do is rapidly changing. We will explore these changes and the skills that a BA needs in today's world. Data is growing at tremendous speed and variety, and it has become the lifeline of many organizations. Organizations are turning to data for smarter decisions, intelligent strategies, and profitable outcomes. Now, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and other techniques and tools are helping organizations unlock valuable insights, and the impact is incomparable. To name a few examples, Office Depot Europe, a leading office supply retailer, used analytics to change their marketing strategy, to use customer ordering behavior and personal preferences. This has resulted in tremendous improvements in response rates and customer sales. The famous furniture retailer IKEA uses advanced analytics to enable customers to place virtually the furniture that they like in their own homes and see it with 98% accuracy. And there are innumerable other examples. And it's not just in IT, but analytics is transforming many other areas. To name a few, healthcare, financial services, travel and tourism, retail, natural resources, public sector, and many more. Now, in the healthcare domain, a patient's digital records like demographics, history, test results, etc. are analyzed to predict the next visit to the doctor or lab tests. This prevents serious health problems. Analytics helps in driving innovation and reducing the time to bring new medicines to the market. It helps predict the number of patients expected at a given time to better plan staffing operations. It makes people more aware of their health parameters by introducing wearable devices. Track changes in health for early diagnosis. Nowadays, hotels, airlines, and travel companies analyze customer and market data to plan their marketing strategy, offer coupons, etc. Dynamic pricing is used by airlines to modify ticket prices based on rush days and hours. Billions of tweets, reviews, and email analysis provide more insights into what the customer is thinking. Now, Marriott partnered with Amazon to install Echo, and now Alexa caters to customer requests, plays music, and much more. Artificial intelligent chatbots are replacing agents to make bookings and show the cheapest flights. In case of finance, algorithmic trading uses analytics to select the best investment options and maximize portfolio returns. Detect and prevent credit card frauds using machine learning predictions. Identify customers who are going to churn and take corrective action. Drive revenue opportunities by looking at spending patterns, credit information, current financial situation to understand customer behaviors better. But all these fantastic examples work only when business and data work together. We need a good understanding of the business context and why we are doing what we are doing. We need someone to make sense of the data from the business perspective to make it worthwhile. The gap between business and actual mathematical statistical data analysis should be filled to make such data initiatives successful. And here come the New Age business analysts, also known as business data analysts, who understand the big picture and the business context, is a visionary who sets a vision about the breadth and width of the analytics initiative, is a business domain expert with data analysis knowledge, collaborates with technical and non-technical stakeholders, works as an advisor to the data scientist by guiding their analysis with business expertise, uses visualizations and storytelling to engage decision makers and drive the organization towards a data-driven culture. Now, some crucial skills which can set you apart as a business data analyst are as follows. Define the business problem or opportunity. So your journey begins with the discovery phase and stakeholder elicitations backed with good research and thorough understanding. You will then identify and gain access to the correct data and make it usable. That is, clean it, then perform exploratory data analysis to get an understanding of the data. With this understanding and your domain expertise, you will work with the data scientists to guide the analysis as per the business context and requirements. For example, business understanding will change the analytical model parameters. You will need a basic understanding of statistics, machine learning, and how they are used to solve specific problems. You will then share the insights drawn from the analysis with the stakeholders and recommend actions. Usually, this is done using visualizations and data storytelling to make it easy for the stakeholders to grasp and come up with decisions. Once they are approved, you will oversee the transformation of the analysis results into procedures implemented within the organization. This is the end goal where the organization realizes the value of the analytics initiative. As a business data analyst, you will be the change catalyst, enabling organizations to use data for informed decision making. No wonder this role sounds exciting, right? Now, data growth is going to fuel the need for skilled professionals. So definitely more opportunities. So do you have the right skills? Do you want to make a difference? Are you equipped for the new BA roles? Check out more about IIBA's certification in business data analytics on our website at techcanvas.com. Earning this certification informs employers of your passion for and competencies in performing business analysis on analytics initiatives. Thank you for joining us today and wishing you all the very best.